Yeah. Yeah.
The green wall that you have is the
It is. It's the wall of chloroplast. Okay, so you guys, does that long process make sense in the context of this equation?
Yes.
Can I go through that one more time?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's first talk about this oxidation part. We're oxidizing water into oxygen gas. Where does that happen?
When we lose the
Sophie, exactly right. It happens right here, right? We're oxidizing water into oxygen gas. And why did we do that? So that we can reduce P680. That's the purpose.
So that's where you get the 6? I don't know. Where do you get that 6?
So don't worry about the numbers.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's where I'm
Just
getting
for a
it.
balanced chemical equation,
Okay.
we're going to have to do all of this stuff 6-ish times. It's going to take 6 carbon dioxides and 6
Oh,
waters.
okay.
Don't worry about the numbers just yet.
Okay.
Okay, so the oxidation happens right here, right? And ultimately what we want to do is we want to reduce carbon dioxide into sugar. And the source of the electrons for that reduction reaction, and please remember, reduction just means you're taking electrons, right? You're consuming electrons. The source of those electrons is what? Which molecule? What supplies electrons? P680 is important in making ATP, but what's the actual molecule that's shuttling electrons around? NADPH, right here. That's the source of the electrons for this reduction reaction. Which photosystem is responsible for constructing NADPH?
Photosystem 1.
Photosystem 1. And I need to write that up here, photosystem 1. I'm just going to write PS1. Okay, so it's also going to require some energy, right? Because this is endergonic, and that energy is what? What energy do we use for anabolic or endergonic reactions? ATP. And that's constructed by which photosystem? Photosystem 2. Exactly right. So this is the last thing I'll say, and then I'll let you guys go. The question is, if photosystem 2 happens before photosystem 1, why is this called photosystem 2 and this called photosystem 1? And the answer is, it's the order in which they were discovered. Photosystem 1 was discovered before photosystem 2. In the series of events, photosystem 2 occurs first. But it was discovered second. Okay, questions that I can answer for y'all? Okay, so when we come back together on Wednesday, we're going to start with this. I'll just have a rough diagram on the board and y'all help me trace where everything goes, right? And then we'll move on to the dark reactions. Tomorrow in lab, we're doing the osmosis lab. Okay? I will see you guys tomorrow.
Wait, did you put our lab